I know how daunting it can be to choose the right welder, especially with so many options on the market. That's why I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I've got the top 5 arc welders that truly stand out, and I'm here to share my first-hand experiences, insights, and honest opinions with you. Product number 1: YESWLDER 135 amp MIG welder. When I first unboxed the YESWLDER 135 amp MIG welder, I was instantly impressed by its compact design and lightweight build. Weighing in at just 19.27 pounds, this welder is not only portable, but also has a solid construction that gives it a robust feel. The first project I tackled was a simple repair on an old patio chair. I set it up in my garage, plugged it into a standard 110V outlet, and was excited to see how it would handle real-world welding tasks. The multi-process capability of this machine is a game changer. It's a 3-in-1 device that can perform MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding. I started with the gasless flux core MIG welding, which is perfect for my needs since I didn't want to mess around with gas bottles. The welding capacity is impressive with a robust 135 amp output, allowing me to work with mild steel up to 5 inches thick. I was relieved to find that it worked seamlessly with 2 LB.030 and .035 welding wire. The smooth arc and consistent feed made my initial attempt surprisingly easy. As I adjusted the wire feeding speed, I appreciated the synergic control feature, which automatically matched the voltage to the recommended value. This is fantastic for beginners like me, as it reduces the learning curve significantly. I also played around with the digital display, which provided real-time feedback on the current, making it easier to monitor my settings and adjust on the fly. This feature alone made me feel more in control during the welding process. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the YESWLDER is super versatile and comes ready to use right out of the box, which is a huge bonus. The included extra flux core welding wire was a thoughtful touch, making it a complete package for anyone looking to start welding immediately. The safety features are comprehensive, including protections against overcurrent, overload, and overheating, which gave me peace of mind while working. However, I did find the instruction manual a bit lacking in detail, which might confuse first-time welders trying to navigate the settings. Why should you buy the YESWLDER 135 amp MIG welder? If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and portable welding machine that delivers quality results without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. It's especially great for DIY enthusiasts or small project welders who want to get the job done efficiently. The ease of use combined with its multiple functionalities makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about welding. Product number 2: 200 amp 20 PCS rod stick welder. Next up is the 200 amp 20 PCS rod stick welder from H. Puyo, a remarkable little machine that packs a punch despite its compact size. When I first held it, I was surprised by how lightweight it felt at just 7.85 pounds. This mini welder is perfect for those who need something portable and easy to handle. Immediately, I was drawn to its bright red color and sleek design, making it quite the eye-catcher in my workshop. Setting it up was straightforward. I plugged it into a standard 110V outlet and began exploring its adjustable current feature, which ranges from 2200A. I decided to start with some light welding on a few metal scraps, using the included welding rods. The machine comes with 20 rods, which is a nice bonus, especially for someone like me who often forgets to stock up on supplies. What impressed me the most was the advanced IGBT inverter control technology, which provided a smooth welding experience. The hot start and anti-stick functions were particularly helpful for a novice like me. I often struggled with rods sticking in the molten pool, but this welder made it easy to start arcs quickly and maintain a stable weld. The deeper penetration and smooth beads were a testament to its powerful arc force capabilities. Now let's break down the pros and cons. The biggest advantage of this welder is its portability. It's small enough to carry around without any hassle. The performance is commendable, especially for DIY projects and home repairs. However, it's important to note that it may not be as effective for thicker materials beyond the recommended thickness of 0.2 inches. Additionally, while it works well with various types of rods, the instruction manual could be clearer on the connections needed for different rod types, which could lead to confusion for beginners. So why should you consider the Puyo 200 amp stick welder? If you're looking for an affordable, portable, and user-friendly welder for light to medium projects, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for hobbyists and those just starting in the welding world, delivering reliable performance without overwhelming complexity. Product number 3. YESWLDER Gasless 160A MIG Welder. The YESWLDER Gasless 160A is a versatile 4-in-1 welding machine that offers MIG, flux core, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities. Upon setting it up, I was impressed by the build quality and the compact size, which made it easy to transport. The moment I turned it on, I could feel the power behind it. The machine's 160 amp output allows it to tackle a wide range of materials, and I immediately put it to the test on some thicker metal pieces. The synergy control made it easy to adjust the wire feed speed and voltage, ensuring a smooth and efficient welding process. One of the standout features is its ability to handle both gas and gasless welding, which gives it a broad range of applications. I started with gasless MIG welding and was pleasantly surprised by the arc stability and weld quality. The digital display provided clear feedback on my settings, making it easier to fine-tune my adjustments as I worked. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the versatility of this welder cannot be overstated. The 4-in-1 functionality means it can adapt to various welding tasks, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to expand their skills. The digital interface is user-friendly, and the safety features provide peace of mind during operation. However, it is slightly heavier than some of the other models I tested, which may be a factor if portability is a concern for you. Why buy the YESWLDER Gasless 160A? If you're looking for a robust, versatile welder that can handle a variety of projects with ease, this machine is a solid choice. It's ideal for those who want to tackle larger projects or need a machine that can grow with them as their welding skills develop. Product number 4. Portable Handheld Welding Machine. The portable handheld welding machine from TVGU is an innovative product designed for those who need a lightweight option without sacrificing performance. At just 2.7 pounds, this welder is incredibly easy to handle, making it an ideal companion for on-the-go repairs or projects. I took it out for a spin on a small metal sculpture I was working on, and the first thing that struck me was how manageable it felt in my hands. The innovative IGBT inverter technology provides stable arcs, allowing for high-quality welds. I was amazed by the precision I could achieve with this machine, whether I was working on thin sheets or heavier joints. The smart power control with a 6-knob dial offered flexibility from 20A to 120A, which made it easy to adjust for different welding tasks. During my testing, I appreciated the hot start feature, which ensured that the arc initiation was smooth and quick. My initial welds were met with confidence as I watched the molten metal fuse seamlessly. The portability of this welder cannot be overstated. It easily fits into my truck and takes up almost no space in my workshop. Now let's look at the pros and cons. This machine is a fantastic option for hobbyists due to its lightweight design and excellent performance. The cooling system is robust, preventing overheating during prolonged use, which is a notable advantage. However, if you're planning on doing extensive heavy-duty welding, you might find the power range limiting compared to larger models. Additionally, while it's great for beginners, seasoned welders may find it lacking in some advanced features. So why should you consider the portable handheld welding machine? If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for a lightweight, portable welder that still delivers high-quality results, this is the machine for you. It's perfect for anyone needing flexibility and ease of use, without compromising on performance. Product number 5. YESWELDER 205 amp stick welder. Last but certainly not least is the YESWELDER 205 amp stick welder, which I found to be a powerhouse of a machine. With a maximum output of 205 amps, this welder is designed for serious work, and I was excited to put it through its paces. The large LED display is a fantastic feature, making it easy to see the current settings without having to remove my helmet. This was especially useful when I was adjusting the hot start and arc force settings, which significantly improved my welding experience. The portability of this welder, weighing in at just under 8.4 pounds, made it easy to move around the job site, a crucial factor for anyone who works in different locations. The YESWELDER 205 is equipped with safety features that automatically compensate for voltage fluctuations, which is a lifesaver when working in areas with unstable power supply. I appreciated the overcurrent protection and temperature control, adding an extra layer of safety while I worked. When it comes to pros and cons, the power of this machine is a major plus. It can handle a variety of rods, making it versatile for different welding tasks. Additionally, the hot start and arc force functions ensure that I had fewer issues with electrode sticking. However, it's worth noting that, while it's great for heavier welding tasks, it might be overkill for lighter home projects. Why should you buy the YESWELDER 205 amp stick welder? If you're serious about welding and need a reliable, powerful machine that can handle a variety of tasks, this welder is an excellent choice. Its combination of power, portability, and safety features makes it a standout option for both professionals and serious hobbyists.